efficiency. With all due respect to the City Council, we hope the City Council might send their attorney to help us file a lawsuit to get an injunction to stop the production of this glass now. The only thing we have left, they're already producing the glass. It takes 4 months to produce 200,000 square feet of glass. The only thing we can do now is to get an injunction, a temporary injunction, and make these people come out in public because they're not coming out in public. Where is Michelle Kelm-Helgen at? Where has she debated this issue? Where is public television at? Where is National Public Radio at? Asking the hard questions that I'm going to ask at the end of this presentation. So, we want them to come out in public and explain to us why they're violating an international treaty called the Migratory Bird Act. They're in violation. How can a public official that we're a signatory to as the state of Minnesota, how can they ignore this act? And let me read you from the act. It shall be unlawful at any time, by any means or any manner, to pursue, hunt, take, capture, kill any migratory bird. You've heard all the experts. You've heard all the experts. They're going to kill birds, and yet they're violating this act, and they ignore it. It's nowhere in the environmental impact statement. There is any mention of the Migratory Bird Act in the environmental impact statement. I've read the whole statement. I challenge anybody to show me where that's mentioned. It's not there. We need to have them held accountable for that. Yes. There's also Minnesota law. We have the Minnesota Environmental Rights Act. Let me read you from that act. This legislature further declares its policy to create and maintain within the state conditions under which human beings and nature can exist in productive harmony in order that present and future generations may enjoy clean air and water, productive land, and other natural resources which the state has been endowed with. And birds are a part of those natural resources. Birds are a part of those natural resources. So where are the attorneys that we need to help file an injunction tomorrow? I've been calling attorneys all over this city in major law firms, and guess what? They all have a conflict of interest because they're being paid by the Vikings or they're defending the Minnesota Sports Authority. So I'm asking if anybody has an attorney or knows an attorney. We're trying to get together a lawsuit that we can file within a couple of weeks that will file a temporary injunction to stop the production of this glass.
All right.
There's also the